Hey everybody, it's Brendan Vandershot here, a damn good realtor from Brand Realty Group, and I am super excited because today we're up here at 694 22nd Street West, right here in Owen Sound, where we've got a house. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll get it right on the next one. I just need a minute, get my thoughts together, make sure my brain's working. We can do this whole thing. It's gonna be great. We're gonna do it great. We're gonna have it so good. It's gonna be beautiful, and it will get better, okay? It'll get better. It's gotta get better. I don't think you're gonna get much better there, Jimbo. Wait, I got another idea. We could do like something like, in honor of a Hogwarts legacy, you might be quick, you might be fly, but this here, it's time to buy. Thanks so much for joining us out here at 694 22nd Street West, right here in the city of Owen Sound. For more information, or if you want to book a showing for yourself, feel free to give me a call at the number that's about to pop up. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.